Are you dreaming of owning a home in Maryland but worried about the cost? The Maryland Mortgage Program, or MMP, is the state's flagship home ownership initiative, managed by the Maryland Department of Housing and Community Development. It's designed to make buying a home more affordable, offering competitive interest rates and even down payment assistance. MMP isn't just one program, it's a collection of products designed for different buyers. All MMP loans are 30-year fixed-interest mortgages, giving you predictable monthly payments, especially for first-time buyers, with the lowest available interest rates. Flexible options for first-time and repeat buyers alike. Helps buyers with student debt pay it down, up to 15% of the purchase price, or $20,000. Designed for buyers with disabilities, making home ownership accessible to everyone.
Are you ready to buy your first home? Don't waste your money on expensive courses or home seller programs that don't teach you what you need. I'm giving you a free home buyers training course designed to get you confident, prepared, and ready to make smart home buying decisions. Click the link in the description below to start your free training today.
MMP doesn't just help with your mortgage rate. It also provides financial support. Zero interest, deferred second mortgage. No monthly payments. You repay only when you sell, refinance, or pay off your main mortgage. The state may match up to $2,500 from participating employers or community groups. Some limited programs even offer non-repayable grants. Before you get excited, here's who qualifies for MMP. Household income must meet county-specific limits, typically 640 plus or 720 plus for Smart Buy. Must live in the home, not an investment or second property. Liquid assets generally cannot exceed 20% of the purchase price. To make sure buyers succeed, MMP has a few rules. You must complete an approved course before closing. Haven't owned a home in the last 3 years with some exceptions. You apply through an MMP-approved lender, not the state directly. Here's how to make MMP work for you in 7 simple steps. Education, complete a home buyer course. Pre-approval, get pre-approved by an MMP lender. Realtor, choose an agent familiar with MMP. Offer, submit an offer on your dream home. Application, complete the loan application and lock in your rate. State review, lender submits for final approval. Closing, sign the documents and get your keys. Ready to make home ownership a reality in Maryland? Visit mmp.maryland.gov for the latest interest rates and income limits. Don't wait, your dream home is closer than you think. Remember, every day you wait could be a missed opportunity. Take control of your future today.
Your ultimate hub for real estate insights, breaking news, entrepreneurial wisdom, investing strategies, and self-development hacks. If you're ready to expand your mind and stay ahead of the game floor, you're in the right place. Subscribe now. Your future self will thank you.